First of all, your phone must be charged. This process take a bit long sometimes. If you want to sell or trade your phone, this step is necessary. Open Settings. Tap your name. Tap Find My. And switch off Find My iPhone. Let us start by backing up your data with iCloud. Open Settings. Tap your name. iCloud. And tap iCloud Backup. Then tap Backup Now. Make sure your iCloud backup is completed. Then erase all your content and settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then erase all content and settings. This process can take minutes or hours, depending on the model and capacity. Be patient.